In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Meta Ads Pixel directly onto your Wix website. If you've ever wondered how to seamlessly integrate powerful marketing tools into your site, this guide is exactly what you need. Let's get started by heading over to the Wix website. Once you've logged in to your Wix account, you'll arrive at your site's dashboard. The dashboard is your hub for everything related to your website, from analytics to design. To begin the process, you need to access the settings, so look to your left and click on Settings. It's like the control center where you can tweak and modify various features of your website to better suit your needs. From the Settings menu, you'll want to navigate to Marketing Integrations. Here, you can connect different marketing tools to your site, which is really helpful for tracking and boosting your marketing strategies. After clicking on Marketing Integrations, look for the MetaPixel and CapEye option. The MetaPixel is crucial for effectively tracking the behavior of your visitors, making it easier to understand your audience and optimize your ads. Once you find it, click on MetaPixel and CapEye. It'll open up a page with more information about what MetaPixel does and how you can benefit from integrating it. The Pixel will help you measure the effectiveness of your advertising by understanding the actions people take on your website. Next, you'll see an option to Connect. Click on it. When you do, it indicates you're ready to start integrating this powerful tracking tool with your site. At this point, you'll want to click on About this integration. This section provides you a clear overview of how the MetaPixel will function when connected to your website. It's always good to familiarize yourself with the technology you're using to better leverage its capabilities. Following that, you need to hit Connect to Facebook. This step will sync your Facebook account with your Wix website, enabling the Pixel to collect and use data to enhance your marketing campaigns. If you haven't yet, ensure you have the correct Facebook marketing link that will allow you to connect your account seamlessly. Lastly, confirm that everything is connected properly. Double-checking ensures that your MetaPixel is ready to start collecting data effectively. Once connected, your website will be equipped with the MetaPixel, providing enhanced insights and functionality for your marketing efforts. And there you have it. You've successfully installed the Meta Ads Pixel on your Wix website, setting yourself up to gain valuable insights into your users' behaviors and improve your marketing strategies. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tips on optimizing your online presence.